We are down at the water, getting ready to go see some whales with numerous monsters and a burrito eating lady.
We're going.
See some whale.
We're going to the whale.
Our life. We got some baby shark.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
Right? There's a little baby here.
There we go.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Feel the mist. Bulba. Right underneath.